Morning, everyone.
Did the updated drawings come through from Hamamatsu yet?
They should be on the server now.
Welcome to the design studio, where we explore how Suzuki cars are made, starting with these initial sketches.
If we slide this one here, the side profile comparison is clearer. See the difference in the grille? I prefer the geometry on the left.
The transition from sketch to digital modeling is crucial. Here, our designers refine every curve and surface in a virtual environment.
We must adhere to these dimensional constraints for the new model.
But the efficiency metrics on this chart suggest some flexibility in the materials.
I think the line should flow cleaner into the arch. Yes.
Yes, let's refine the surfacing around the door.
If we adjust the mounting point here, the alignment works.
Let's compare that to the alternate layout. The clearance zone is tight.
Right, I've made a note of the revision.
The new platform integration is proceeding smoothly. We anticipate finalized safety approvals by the end of the fiscal year.
Pay close attention to the chassis alignment on the new model. The tolerances are tighter than before.
Adjust to the left. Okay, it's set. Confirmed.
This is the heart of the manufacturing process, where flat steel is transformed into the precise body panels for your new Suzuki. Here we see the highly automated assembly line, where industrial robots work in perfect unison to position the car body panels.
Here in the welding inspection area, our technicians use precision gauges to ensure every joint meets Suzuki's global quality standards. The conveyor system carries the freshly cured vehicle bodies out of the paint ovens, showcasing a uniform, high-quality finish. In the interior assembly hall, synchronized teams carefully guide the seat assemblies into the Suzuki cabins, ensuring precision alignment.
The mechanical assist arm ensures precise alignment before the bolts are torqued, guaranteeing a flawless finish for every Suzuki vehicle. The tires are precisely guided along the conveyor lines, ensuring a seamless flow to the installation stations. After assemble, every vehicle enters the final inspection tunnel, where high-contrast lighting reveals the slightest imperfection in the paintwork.
In this expansive testing area, fully assembled vehicles undergo their final functional checks, moving smoothly along.
उसने चस्के की आपको थे हैं?
This shipment is critical. We must ensure the manifests align with the new route.
The data confirms the revised timeline. It looks good.
I'll update the map now.
Once complete, the vehicles are loaded onto transporters and begin their journey to customers around the world.
Once assembled, the vehicles are transported here to the massive shipping port, the next step in their journey across the globe.
Once manufacturing is complete, the finished vehicles begin their journey across the globe.
Here, at our state-of-the-art facility, we ensure every Suzuki is built to the highest standard before it reaches our customers.
The finish on this blue is incredible, isn't it?
It really is. I love the design of these mirrors too.
Every Suzuki undergoes rigorous final checks, ensuring that the ergonomics meet our high standards for comfort and control. Having passed every inspection, the finished vehicle leaves the lot, beginning its life on the road.
Built to the highest standards, Suzuki vehicles integrate seamlessly into the bustling heart of the city.
We connect the diagnostic equipment first, then use a calibrated torque wrench to ensure every bolt is secured to factory specifications.